moving on, we have an email query now. Tarun Khanna has written in and says he has a flat in Kolkata which he's rented out. He wants to know if he can get a home loan of 5 lakh rupees for registration of the house and 3 lakh rupees for renovation. If yes, he wants to know which banks give such loans and is the repayment eligible for IT rebate. So he wants everything. He wants a loan and he wants deduction.
And
can he get any of those?
The funny thing is, why does he need to register it now? I mean, ordinarily when you buy a house, and for all the people who are listening, please remember that if you do not register your agreement just so that you can save some stamp duty in the interim period, remember that whenever you go to register, there's a penalty which is leviable on that, and that penalty can be as high as 100% over a period of time. So why would you want to spend unnecessary money? Plus that penalty, by the way, is going to be on the existing market value of the property at a future point in time. So, why would you want to do that? So anyways.
And I hate to butt in. Also, one thing that every buyer needs to know is that just signing the agreement doesn't make the property yours. The actual legal transfer of the title of the property only happens when you register that agreement, which is why it is very, very essential to register that agreement, especially in times like these where we are seeing such a lot of delays in the real estate market. It becomes all the more important for you to go ahead and register that agreement for the simple reason that tomorrow, if you want to take legal action against that particular developer or the company or the broker, whoever is not giving you your property, then this is the only piece of paper that will stand as proof in court of law that you actually own that property.
Oh yes, absolutely. I mean, if you've not registered and if the seller has not got all the money, what rights do you really have to go ahead and apply it even to court? So you need to have a registered document, very important. Second is, now I'm not sure whether they will give you money for registration of your property, but however, the option that you have before you is that you will have to first register your document if it is not registered. Thereafter, you can apply for a loan against property, and then you can use that money, pretty much to do whatever you sort of desire, except the exceptions that the lender will levy on you. And the other thing is that you can also apply for home renovation loans, and there is a whole variety of people who are doing these kind of loans. I mean, for example, you'll find NBFC is also pretty active in this segment. They actually have a product called home improvement, home maintenance, they call it with different names, but you can definitely get this loan. This loan is ordinarily a little more expensive than your regular home loan, but you can get this kind of a loan based on your financial credentials. So that should not be very difficult to get a loan as long as your income supports it.
Tarun has not told us whether he's bought that property on home loan, but if he's bought it on a home loan, if he's already repaying an existing home loan, he can ask for something called a top-up loan.
Absolutely,
as well, right?
Yes. You can top that loan up, because what's going to happen is over a period of time, your property's capital value has already gone up. Because the capital value has gone up, therefore your eligibility of that 80% is also automatically moving up. So there is a little space by which the bank can actually give you some more money. No problem.
That would be cheaper than the home improvement loan that he would have to take from another bank.
Yes, but you see, again, that's a new tranche of loan that you're taking. It may be cheaper than the home improvement, but it could be expensive than your existing home loan. So I mean, and the difference would be maybe just a 0.25% or so, but there is a possibility of a difference in that.
Okay.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.